I've never made French fries in lard before. My first batch. I've made French fries before, but I never deep fat fried them in lard. And yeah, look at this. I'd say that's a nice little delicate simmer. Sizzle. You call it simmer? Sizzle? Fry bubbling? I don't know. Fry bubbling? What the hell do you call a deep fry? Okay, well, I think that's a very, very appropriate level of bubblage. And, but yeah, look at these French fries. I think they came out all right. A little hot still. I'm going to try one. Ooh, that's very hot. Video editing. I don't know how well that mashed up. It doesn't matter. Anyway, French fries are cooler. I'm going to try it. Oh my gosh. I don't even have salt on that yet, but those are good. Oh my gosh. You know, lard's got a very strong, like pork smell. And oh my gosh, you don't taste it at all on the fries. Those are good. Okay, seriously. You guys got to try that at some point. Fried potatoes and lard. That's really good. French fries and potatoes. French fried potatoes. Anyway, we were out.